Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Len. In today's episode, we're going to make chocolate swirl cake. Let's get baking. Alright, so for this cake, you're going to need one package of chocolate cake mix. Usually it's in the box, it's about 18 1/4 ounces. Get your favorite kind of chocolate cake mix. 3 eggs, vanilla extract, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1/3 cup of sugar, and a can of cherry pie filling. It's about 20 ounces. You'll find that in the same aisle and get your cake mix. All right, for the cake part, we're going to take the whole cake mix. We're going to put that in a large bowl. We're going to take 2 eggs. Then you're going to use 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to mix this egg cake vanilla mix pretty well. I would say put it in the mixer for maybe 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. It should be good. We'll test it. We'll see if we can get a spatula underneath it. Bring it up. Make sure all the powder, the cake mix is gone. Okay, so now we have our cake mix pretty well mixed up there. We're going to set that to the side. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get a 13 by 9 length and width cooking dish, about 2 inches deep. One of these bad boys. And we're going to coat it. We're going to get a spatula. We're going to take our cake mix. So we put our cake mix in here. You can evenly spread it out, shake it back and forth quite a bit. If you have some big gaps in any of the corners, just pick it up. Okay, so we're going to take the cake. We're going to put it aside. All right, for the swirl part, what we're going to do is we're going to put in our 1/3 cup of sugar, our 8 ounces of cream cheese, and then a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. What we're going to do is we're going to beat that well. So you're going to mix that for about, 30 seconds to a minute. It's going to look like a creamy topping for a cake. Then we're going to add in our last egg, and we're going to beat that low until it's mixed well again. So the consistency will be pretty shiny. It'll be really smooth looking. So we're going to bring back our cake. We have our swirl mix. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the swirl mix, spread it over the cake. Kind of looks more like a pudding. It's that consistency of a vanilla pudding. Kind of looks like that. So once it's on the cake, we're going to spread it around on top of the chocolate. To make the swirl effect, we're going to get a butter knife or a fork, and you're going to cut through it. You're going to bring it around. You make any kind of shapes you want. All right, so after a couple minutes, you're going to go back and forth or do some squigglies or whatever kind of stuff you want to do, and still going to have some of the swirl on top, as you can see, but mostly it did get in. We still got some chocolate up here, got a little bit of cherry, but it's mixed in very well. So you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and then put the cake in there. Oh, let's see, maybe 35-40 minutes. We'll set it 35, and then we'll check it with a toothpick, and I'll show you guys how to do that here in a second. All right, it's been 35 minutes. Pulled this thing out a couple seconds ago. So we're going to check to see if the insides are done. You're going to grab a toothpick, put it in, pull it out. Make sure no chocolate, fluid is on there or batter. Push it in. I do it in the four corners in the middle. It's just preference. And the cake is done. Let's cut into it a little bit. Like I got some swirl in there. There you go. Please click the like and subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel already. It helps to make me more content. Enjoy your cake and have a good one. See you next time.